Historically, the experts haven't paid much attention to followers and their role in the leadership process. Today, we recognize the importance of their impact on leadership effectiveness. Followership is the process whereby an individual is influenced by a leader to achieve a common goal. Because followers vary in terms of their personalities, motivations, goals, and many other aspects, some are more effective in their role than others. In the early 1990s, Kelley interviewed managers and their employees and identified two ways high performers differed from low performers. First, some followers are independent, critical thinkers, while others are dependent, uncritical thinkers. Second, some followers are active, while others are more passive. The differences across these two dimensions create 5 followership styles, as shown here in this figure. Exemplary, effective followers are the stars of the group. They have some of the same qualities as effective leaders, such as honest, competent, and trustworthy. They're actively engaged in their work and the group's activities, and they behave consistently and ethically across situations. They openly express their concerns and ideas with the rest of the group and challenge others' assumptions to make better decisions. As a result, these members often enjoy high levels of power and status within the group. Alienated followers are critical thinkers with great ideas, but they only share them from the sidelines. For some reason, these followers are not active in their role. Reasons they might give for their passivity include being passed over for a promotion, being bored in their current role, or experiencing interpersonal conflict with supervisors or coworkers. As a result, they can become cynical, pessimistic, and bitter towards the leader and other members. Conformist followers are yes people. They're active, energized, and busy. Yet, they don't use their critical thinking skills to analyze their work or how they perform it. They're often devoted and loyal to their leaders, defending them against others' criticisms. Plus, they're willing to complete the tasks assigned to them, rarely question their leaders' actions, and avoid all types of conflict. Passive followers are neither active or independent. They're disengaged from their work and avoid taking on additional responsibilities. They don't share their ideas or challenge others' perspectives. And leaders often have to monitor them continuously, to the point that scholars call this group the sheep. And finally, pragmatic survivors don't clearly fit into one of the other categories. They're the only group of followers who adapt their style based on what's going on around them. In some situations, they exhibit high levels of concrete action and independent thinking. In other situations, though, they do less or take on a supportive role. So these followers are in tune with their environment. As a result, they're skilled at identifying when the organization's culture has a negative effect on people's behavior.